Wanna know how to break out of loops or nested loops in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, in this trick, we use loop labels. So loop labels is super easy to use. So you can see this code right here. You can just simply copy this code and modify as you want. So in this code, we name the outer loop outer. So right here we have named the loop outer, you can see, and inside the inner loop, so it's inside the inner loop. So when I is equals to 2, so right here I is equals to 2 and j is equals to 2 as well, it jumps out of both loops immediately. This helps when working with deeply nested loops where break alone isn't enough. Super simple and easy, and that's it. This is how you easily break out of loop. So you can just simply copy this code and try it by yourself by running it, and it should work. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.